Hey everybody, it's Greg with Strange RV Tours. Today I have a maintenance project, kind of a broken project that I'm going to take on. Thought you guys might like to see it. Let's get started. So the other day I was opening up our awning, and when I did, this handle right here, which this one's already starting to get loose, but this handle right here on the other side broke off. Here is the handle. As you can see, the rivets right here and right there are still in the handle. So let me go over this side and I'll show you where it goes. Okay, right here, this handle goes right there. Now, first thing I did was I went down to the local big brand hardware store and I bought a rivet gun and I bought some small rivets. Small 3/16 rivets, and went ahead, put this back in here, reinstalled the handle using the rivet gun, and the first time I went to open it up, it broke off again. Turns out these rivets right here, I believe, are just a little bit too short. So I went back to Mr. Big Brand hardware store and I bought some medium rivets. Now when I say medium, they're still 3/16, but the actual length of the rivet from here to here is longer. So we're going to try to install this again with some medium rivets, but first I need to remove these rivets that are in this here. I'm going to do that off camera, but basically I'll tell you exactly how I do it so it's easy. I'll set it down over here to show you. I'm going to use a combination of needle nose pliers, a hole punch to punch the rivet through, and some regular pliers to hopefully take those rivets out. Then I can reinstall it. So we'll see you in just a bit. Well, as you can see, I was able to get the rivets out. Ended up using a hole punch and a hammer along with some flathead screwdrivers and some needle nose pliers. And I was able to finally get it to come out. Okay, now these right here, oops, I'm sorry. These right here are rivets. These are what a rivet, this is what a rivet looks like before it's installed. Okay? This is a rivet gun. Now the way it works, you take your rivet, you put it inside the hole of the rivet gun, go ahead and push it all the way in, just like that. And then as I crank the handle on the rivet gun, it'll force that bar inside the rivet deeper and deeper, and it'll expand this rivet. When that rivet expands, it should adhere this handle to the slide post on the railing. Use rivets whenever you only have one side to work with, where you can't get to the back side. They're a pain in the butt to get off, but they're fantastic when they actually work. So let's see what we can do here. All right. All right, this is gonna go right in there. Get this right in there. Hold it down tight. Press in on the gun, let it out. Press in again. And one more time. That rivets in. Looks like I'm gonna have some sanding to get that one off. Don't know why it broke back there, but it's in tight. Okay, we'll put the second rivet in. Raise the handle up. Okay, we got the second rivet in place here. Start pressing the handles together. It's 1, 2. These longer rivets take 3 squeezes usually. Well, it's not gonna take more than 3. There we go. And that one worked perfectly. All right. All right, I got my little nippers here. See if I can get my nippers in there. Get them in there pretty good. Okay, got that off. All right, and as you can see, I've got the awning extended and it's holding fine. It's actually doing well. I'm actually very happy with that. So as you can see, this really was not a difficult repair at all. This is actually very easy. You can see our awning's up now. So if you have a awning and you have one of those handles come off, all you have to do is get a way of removing those rivets that are stuck inside of that handle. Get a rivet gun, which I think my rivet gun cost me 20 bucks. And a box of rivets, they were $6 a piece. Had to buy 2 boxes because the first ones were too small. And it fell right off when I went to open it. These are extended far enough that they seem to be holding good, so we should be in good shape. So anyhow, pretty easy fix. You can do this. No sense in paying a repairman to do it. Quite honestly, a repair guy would probably get frustrated and not want to handle something that easy anyway. So anyhow, hope that helps you guys. All right, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you enjoy all of our videos, please hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell up in the corner for notifications, and please share these videos. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Happy RVing. Take care of those easy repairs. Those things add up. Talk to you later. Bye.